Hi all, in this video I will teach you how to find the root of an equation f of x equal to 0 by Regular-Fossey method with the help of a calculator. We choose 2 points a and b such that f of a and f of b are of opposite signs. The iteration formula is xn is equal to a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. Problem 1. Obtain a root of an equation x cube minus x minus 4 equal to 0 using Regular-Fossey method corrected to 4 decimal places. Let us choose f of x as x cube minus x minus 4. Since the interval is not given in our problem, we have to find out the location of the root. So by trial and error method, put x equal to 1, f of 1 is negative, put x equal to 2, f of 2 is positive. Since we have opposite sign, if you multiply f of 1 and f of 2, it will be negative. Therefore, we can conclude that a root lies between 1 and 2. Therefore, our x lies between 1 and 2. Choose a as 1 and b as 2. F of a is negative, f of b is positive. Now, with the help of calculator, we can easily find out the iterated values. This is the iteration formula. Our f of x, find f of b, f of a, substitute in the formula. Simplify further. Now this is the equation. Okay. Now to type that equation in your calculator. So this is the formula. This is the coding we have to do. X equal to formula colon c equal to our function. Now to type alphabets, press alpha and then the desired alphabet. For typing this equal to, you have to press alpha and then calc. For typing this colon, you have to press alpha and then integral sign. Okay. Now let us first fix the number of decimal places. Now this is your calculator. Press shift and then mode. It will give you number of options. Here you have fix at number 6. Okay. So press 6. It will ask you how many digits you have to fix. We have to fix 4 decimal digits, isn't it? So type 4. Now press AC. Now your calculator is in fix mode. You will get all your answer up to 4 decimal places. Okay. Now to type this equation, we need alphabets. So I am going to type x equal to. So alpha bracket which will give you x. Okay. Now to type equal to, press alpha calc. It will give you x equal to. Now to type the formula, press fraction. Now in this fraction you have to type equation. After typing the equation we need colon. So press alpha integral sign. Now we have to type c equal to f of x. So to type c, press alpha hyperbolic function which will give you c. Now again we need equal to. So press alpha calc. Now type the equation x cube minus x minus 4. After typing the equation, we need a table. Now in this table, write a as first column, b, x and c. Okay. Now you know our interval is between 1 and 2. So choose a as 1 and b as 2. Write 1 and 2 in your table. Now these are the values which I am going to put in the calculator. Press calc. It will ask you what is the value of a. So press 1 equal to. It will ask you what is the value of b. Press 2 equal to. It will give you the value of x, which is 5 by 3. To get decimal number, I will press SD. So you will get 1.6667, approximately 4 decimal digits. Now write this value in your table. Press equal to. You will get the value of c. Now write this value in the table. Now check whether c is negative or positive. Here it is negative. But in our problem, f of a was negative. Therefore, you have to replace a by x, b as it is. Now press equal to. These are the new values which you have to put for a and b. It will ask you what is the value of a. Remember, this is the old value. You have to replace by new value. Type 1.6667. press equal to. Again it will ask you what is the value of b. This is the old value, type the new value, press equal to. It will give the value of x. Write this value in the table, press equal to, it will give you c. Okay, so x, c. Check again, c is negative, therefore you have to replace a again by x, b as it is. These are the values of a and b. Press equal to. When it will ask you a, you have to type 1.7805. See, this is the old value, so type the new value, press equal to. What is the value of b? Type the new value, equal to, it will give you x. Write this in your notebook, press equal to, so you will get c. So write that in your table. Again c is negative, you have to repeat this process. F of a being negative, you have to replace a by x, b as it is, press equal to, type the new values of a, equal to, type the new value of b, equal to, it will give you x. Write in your table, press equal to, it will give you c. So write the values. Again c is negative, replace a by x, b by 2, and then press equal to, type the new value of a, type the new value of b, it will give you x. Write in your table, press equal to, write the values of x and c. Again c is negative, replace a by x and b by 2 itself. Okay, press equal to, replace a by new value, replace b by new value, write this x in your table, press equal to, you will get c as 0. Okay, now after writing all the values in the table, you can see that our values of x is being repeated, 1.7963. Here also it is 1.7963 and c being 0.0000. Therefore we can conclude that our root is 1.7963. Let us proceed with the next problem. Determine the root of an equation x cube minus 4x plus 9 equal to 0 in the interval minus 3 and minus 2. So write your function f of x. Since the interval is given, let us choose a as minus 3 and b as minus 2. Check whether they give you opposite sign or not. So here f of a is minus 6 negative, f of b is 9 positive. Therefore we can conclude that a root lies between minus 3 and minus 2. So to type the equation, we need iteration formula. We have our function, find f of b, find f of a. Substitute these in your formula and then simplify further. Now this is the simplest equation we get. Now we have to type the equation x equal to formula colon c equal to f of x. After typing this, you know the procedures. For equal to, you have to press alpha and then calc. For colon, you have to press alpha and then integral sign. Now construct the table, write a, b, x and c. Okay, you know a is minus 3 and b is minus 2. Find the value of x, find the value of c. Here c is positive, but remember in our previous problem c was negative. But our f of a was negative and f of b was positive. Okay. Therefore you have to replace with positive value. Here f of b is positive, so you have to replace the value of b by x, a as it is. Find the new value of x, find the new value of c. Again c is positive, f of b being positive, you have to replace b by x, a as it is, find the new value of x, c. You have to repeat this procedure because c is positive, replace b by x and a as it is, find the new value of x, find the new value of c. Again c is positive, replace b by x, a as it is, find the new value of x, find the new value of c. Again c is positive, you have to replace b by x, a by minus 3 which is same, and then find the value of x. Since the value of x is same, you can stop here. So you can conclude that the root is minus 2.7065. I hope you have understood this problem. Thank you.